Hi, baby. Oh, okay, I know I'm not supposed to touch you. I understand.
This is the end. This is the end. This is the end. This is the end. This is the end.
Wait for it. Ready?
This is the end. This is the end.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
This is the end.
Kind of are. No, drop it. Drop it. Sorry. Oh, what the hell?
Waiting for him to break it.
He's bringing you a baby. He's a dad.
What is it, boy?
I think he wants you to follow him.
All right, I'm coming.
Guys, I don't know why you take me to the barn, but it better not be bad. Hey, hold up!
Oh my God, y'all look at this. She did so good. Wait, no. Oh, no. She's not breathing. I think she passed away.
I'm gonna have to take the babies. They won't survive out here. Guys, he's growling because he's being protective.
So small, y'all. They wouldn't have made it out there. Making sure I take care of them. Mother wolf was in the barn, and she died giving birth.
Oh, honey, you're gonna have to look after the pups.
I need to go get the mother. We'll give her a proper burial tonight. I'm so sorry, girl. I know, buddy.
I can't believe this happened. This poor wolf's been through so much.
Hey, buddy. She's going to heaven now. Rest easy, girl. You did good. Now we have to take care of these pups. We will keep you updated. Thank you for the kind comments and likes. See you all soon.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to
We should do a size comparison of how big is Mouse? How big is this mouse in the house? How big are you? I'm so big! Come on! Wow! Next to a phone charger. Next to a water bottle. Oh, hi! Oh my gosh! You attack! Whoa! She tripped over cardboard. Yep, that's a tripping hazard for Mouse. Oh, here's a good example. Hang on. Hang on, Mouse. Y'all know my rainbow toys. That is Mouse next to the rainbow toy that all the cats play with. Oh, girlfriend. Your first experience with catnip. I think you're a little too young for that, though. But it is literally the size of her.
Wow.